Hello guys, welcome to Barzawa. Hello जी नमस्ते, welcome back to my channel. So today is day 2 और अभी बज रहे हैं 8 और हम पूरी रात नहीं सो पाए because we were not able to sleep whole night because after watching the stars, man, the stars are so much beautiful in the mountains. Really, they were so crystal clear and so many. But after watching it, when we went to sleep, a storm came and everything was wet and drippy. Like our tent was really drippy, and I was not able to sleep because I tried to make my tent waterproof with plastic sheet, but I only had a small amount. Now we are going back to that stream we saw when we were coming up to wash our face and just to take a towel bath because we can't take bath really here because it's very cold. So we'll take a towel bath and a sponge bath, we say. वो रहा हमारा कैंप. We all are just packing our tents and sleeping bags and then we'll start the hiking again for day 2 and we begin. Let's go. You can see the view. This is from where we are coming. I don't know if you have went to Vaishno Devi. You must have seen many workers taking goods from ground to the hill. My dad used to praise them, like appreciate them. पापा, मेरे कंधे पे भी 2 जनों का घर है और ऐसी चढ़ाई तो नहीं है वहाँ पे. This is the range of Barzawa and I'll show you one thing. These are the blueberries of Barzawa hill and this is very tasty. Like it's very sweet. Bro, did you like that? Very. Like he liked it. Don't worry. These all are blueberries. The strongest man in our hike, Victor. He's carrying 2 bags.
Yeah, I can run.
He's also running. One day. So we started from there. It was the resort near the waterfall where we did our registration. And we are our problems are not ending. Like yesterday there was a storm.
And now there's like very fast wind.
And also that the path is very slippery. The path is slippery, the hike is steep, the wind is very fast, we have a very heavy bag, literally. It is very hard, but it's not impossible. Like, if I can do it, you can also do it. Like, I am really tired. What should we do? Mountain is not coming, guys. I'm really tired. Guys, we made it. We are not at our final destination, but we are at the top of our first mountain. Whew. It's a great achievement, and we are at the top. Yeah. And Victor is making tea for everyone. Right? Like, if we fall, we are going straight down or straight up.
Straight up.
This is just a dream. Yes, it's just a dream. Wow. Point of advice: if you think you are not capable of carrying a 30 kilos or 40 kilos bag on hiking, please don't come, because then you are the liability for the group and the person who has taken the responsibility. Like, it's just a piece of advice. It is very scary. Like, this is the place where I got my left foot injured. I just got my ankle twisted, and within few minutes I think my shoe is tight from the swelling. I'll just get down this hill. So we have a bad news. As I told you, my ankle got twisted, and after we sat for a few minutes, I applied the pain balm, and Victor gave me his ankle bandage, but it's unbearable pain. They are enjoying the view. I think I'll make it. We are almost there. Like the other mountain, we have to just climb one more mountain. Then that's it. With me. just this much. This much. See, we are at the top of the mountain and the lace packet is also popped up due to the pressure difference from ground and top of the mountain. Now comes the best part, for which I tolerated that unbearable pain in my left ankle, and I hiked those kilometers up to this highest peak of Borzava. I brought India's flag.